Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your CLV password. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open the CLV wallet application on your device and it'll ask you to enter your password. If you don't remember the password during login in, there is a way you can reset your password. Simply tap on the forgot password link at the bottom of the screen and then tap on this little square box where it says I understand above notices and ready to reset my wallet. Tap on the reset button and then enter the new password you'd like to set for your wallet. After you are done creating a new password, retype in the password in the next field again. Once done, tap on the continue button and input your seed phrases in the correct order in order to verify your account. And finally, after typing it down, tap on continue. Once you do that, you will be able to log into your wallet. So that's how easily you can reset your CLV password if you don't remember the password during the login process. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.